This essay is called Mindful Mom. Throughout my life, I have watched my mom make art every day. Painting on porcelain, clay, canvas, and wood. Doing bobbin lace, amigurumi, and knitting. Practicing calligraphy, making stamps, and other things with paper. Her artistic ability is extensive and diverse. She has never done any of this as a business. Fortunately, she has never needed to. She has done it out of love for craftsmanship, for the preservation of old techniques, and out of affection for all of us who have received her beautiful creations. She has also always been an avid reader. She's usually reading 2 or 3 books at the same time, and probably more than 50 books a year. I remember when I was little, she read The Lord of the Rings, the Alexander's books, the Accursed King series, and many others. Some of those books have made their way to me and my brothers as recommendations she feels are relevant to whatever moment we happen to be going through. Her ability to concentrate seems unlimited. She has never needed a single talk about mindfulness because she seems to understand it naturally. Endless hours invested in her passions, visions of spaces decorated with her ideas, and dreams of the feelings her work will create in those who receive the product of her efforts. For many years, I have envied her, not only because my artistic talent is non-existent, but because the ability to find things I can consciously focus on for hours without them becoming an additional source of stress or work has always felt foreign to me. However, this year I discovered that doing manual work around the house, mainly projects involving assembling things, restoration, cleaning, and maintenance, puts me into a mental state similar to the one I have watched her enter for so many years. Maybe I'm just getting old. Or maybe I'm simply learning to manage anxiety the same way my dad does. But you know what? I am all in on taking my small steps as a victory. In this video, I am giving a new purpose to a 2020 M1 MacBook Air. One that my business partner left behind when we bought her a new one. I will also use this opportunity to install a version of Linux called Fedora Asahi Remix. I hope to test this computer as an artificial intelligence agent that will be in charge of customer service tasks for the company of a good friend of mine. The process I am following is simple. First, I need to remove all the stickers from the computer. For this, I use a regular hair dryer, which reactivates the adhesive on the stickers. Second, I take a plastic scraper and start removing the stickers one by one. I try to remove as much of the adhesive as possible during this process without scratching the metal finish on the lid. Removing it all this way is not possible, since the stickers may have been there for years. I wait for the lid to cool down a little and start using 70% alcohol isopropyl in the shape of wipes to remove what is left. I repeat this process, sometimes using the hair dryer again, until the metal feels smooth. I make several passes until everything feels clean. At this point, you may be wondering, what are those remaining shadows? And can they be removed? Unfortunately, they cannot. These computers have a finish called anodized aluminum. Over time, exposure to UV rays causes oxidation that gradually changes its color. The stickers prevent this oxidation, which leaves a permanent shadow behind. If you look closely, you can see that these were not the first stickers this computer had. It had others in the past, which is why the shadows vary. After finishing the top panel, I quickly clean the bottom panel and use a small tool to clean the boards. The next step is cleaning the keyboard, for which I use the same alcohol wipes. After several passes, it looks spotless. I then clean the screen with a product called Whoosh and use a microfiber cloth to remove marks left by the keyboard and any traces of the cleaning product. I install the operating system I want. In this case, I chose a free and open source operating system because this is something I enjoy experimenting with and learning about. I find the world of open source software fascinating, and thanks to all the people who are part of these teams, today we have options that allow us to bring hardware that is on its way toward obsolescence back to life with a lightweight system that can give it more years of use without making a major sacrifice in functionality. The whole process ends when I put on a case. This case will help hide the marks left by the stickers. It is not the best solution, but it was the quickest and most affordable option I had. And just like that, over the course of about 3 hours, divided into several sessions, I get this computer ready to face its next mission. It has gained some cleanliness and speed, but I have gained the satisfaction of going through the process of researching how to do it properly, getting the right tools, and finally completing the task successfully. I get the biggest reward, giving myself a few hours of deep concentration, tranquility, and the enjoyment of some good music in the background, which I think would make my mindful mom very proud.